Hi, Jane. The first TV weather forecast was back in 1954, so not quite 100 years ago, but there have been plenty since then, and they haven't all looked quite as good as this one because we've got some beautiful blue skies and sunshine overhead in many places right now.
Good afternoon. It was a chilly start this morning and quite a misty and murky one too. Lots of our weather watchers posting pictures of fog bows earlier on today. This one in Richmond from Weather Watcher Richmond Rainbow. The light behaves a little bit differently compared to classical rainbows. The water droplets within the mist and fog much smaller, so therefore the white rainbow.
Hello again. I hope you had a lovely day. Foggy old start this morning, wasn't it? Although I think that was the least of this one's problems. Quite a lot sort of going on there. Each to their own. Right, tomorrow we've got a bit of a cloudier story for you. It's quite breezy as well. It should stay mostly dry and it's mild as well for this time of year. Let's just take a little look at those temperatures. Now, these are our maximums that we're predicting this week, getting into the high teens like we have done today, maybe even the low 20s by the end of the working week. Our average for this time of year is about 15, maybe 16 degrees. So we are doing quite well, not too much to complain about, although no doubt I'll find something.
Hello there. Most of us got to see quite a lot of sunshine during today, but some changes did start to take place across the southwest of England through the afternoon. Rather cloudy there for a weather watcher in South Devon.
Now, many of us could be in for a warm end to the month. A plume of heat from Africa is set to sweep up across Europe, meaning some of us could see some very warm days. Well, Alex is here with more detail on that and, of course, the full forecast. But, Alex, so we're heading into November, but it's actually warming up.
Yes, there is some talk about it being an Indian summer because that would be perfect for this time of year. That's usually when it happens. And the term Indian summer is actually something that we kind of inherited from the United States, really. But the order of service is normally a period of cold weather, a sharp frost, and then heat building. And we do have some heat building, which is coming up from Africa, as the corrector just said. And as we head through the week, we are going to see temperatures rising. They are going to be above average. In fact, if we put some value on it, we can take a look at our temperature lead as we head through the course of this week. And we are expecting daytime highs to be sat at around 20, 21 degrees Celsius. So we could see something a little higher as you head towards Thursday and Friday. But if you compare it to the UK average for this time in October, 14 degrees. So as you can see, it is several degrees above average for the time of year. But as we head through the coming days, it is going to be a little tricky. Yes, like today, it has been pretty pleasant, as you can see by these pictures. This is North Somerset, Backwell to be precise, earlier today. The lake there looking pretty calm, blue skies overhead. In fact, this was the case across many parts of the UK, with highs of 20 in the south this afternoon. But I'm afraid as we head through the next few days, there is a possibility of some rain in the forecast. Well, as we head through the next few days, unfortunately, we are going to see this area of low pressure start to edge its way, and it happens tonight. So the winds will start to pick up, and there is going to be some outbreaks of rain, some of which is going to be on the heavy side for Northern Ireland in particular. So not perhaps as clear-cut as many of us would like it with the warm temperatures and sunshine overhead. So, as I say, watch out for those showers.
I will do. Alex, thank you.